Hello, friends. Got ourselves fresh to the floor 2016 Street Glide Special in Vivid Black. This thing is decked out. Got a chrome front end, chrome wheels, the passing lamps, all LED turn signals. Got a Harley windshield, some taller bars, mirrors. Man, I'm going to miss out on a bunch of this stuff. Give you an excuse. I have to come on in and check it out. Got the HD heavy breather. This will have a high output 103 with a 6-speed transmission. Reinhardt True Duals. Spike is, man, it's decked out. Stage 2 audio. Coming around the backside to match the head pipes, we got some Reinhardt 4-inch LED turn signals out back as well. The Harley Badlander seat. Man, this thing is sweet. Come on down and check it out. Vandervest Harley-Davidson. We're at 1966 Velp Avenue in Green Bay, Wisconsin. If you have any questions about the bike or like to schedule an appointment to come and see it, give us a call at 920-498-8822.